Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello, how are you, dear viewers? Today we will start our third lesson of the Madina Arabic Book 1. Uh, this lesson is about uh, indefinite and definite article. We will come to know the difference between the indefinite article and the definite article. As we have learned in English that indefinite article in English is a or n, and definite article is the. This we have learned. But what are the equivalent uh, to these letters in Arabic? In Arabic, we have tanween for article A. We have tanween, and tanween is indicated by these signs. These signs, like over here, this is tanween. Kitabun or baytun, qalamun, on sound. This on sound or doubling of vowel is equivalent to the indefinite of English a. Okay, and the definite article in Arabic is al, like we see here at the beginning of al qalam. So al, it is uh, equivalent to the English article the. So uh, the difference we notice uh, in English when we um, uh, add a definite article to a word and then translate it. So that difference will come over here in Arabic as well. Likewise, if we add indefinite article uh, in English to a word, so the difference we notice over there in English, we will notice it over here in Arabic as well. Now, as we have learned that mm, for indefinite article, the, we have the Arabic equivalent al. Okay, al. So here we may notice that al-baytu is prefixed by al, the definite article, and it will mean al-baytu, the house. Okay, the house. So the house, the house, the house, because the house, if we translate the house to Arabic, we will say al-baytu, al-baytu. But if we want and if we omit the and add article a, which is indefinite article, so then uh, um, we will not add al, then we will uh, add at the end on sound, at the end tanween. Tanween will be suffixed at the Arabic word. So we will say baytun. So a house means baytun and the house means al baytu. Here are numerous examples, and we will try to learn them all so that this concept put clear in our mind in a better manner. So qalamun, now we can see that it has indefinite article. So we will translate it a pen. And al-qalamu, it has definite article. So we will translate it the pen. Over here, we should learn that when we add a definite article, like we add al at the beginning of a word. So at that time, we will we will not double the dhamma. We will not double the old sound at the end of the word, as we double it when we uh, uh, don't add definite article. So if uh, definite article is not added at the beginning, uh, at that time we will double the on sound. Okay, uh, the o sound we will double it, or we will uh, say that we will um, uh, add tanween qalamun. Okay, and if we add or prefix uh, definite article, then we will say al qalamu. So al qalamu and qalamun, there is a difference. On and o, on and o. On sound is the sound of tanween, and o sound is the sound of merrily dhamma. Okay, merrily pesh or dhamma. So this should be kept in our mind. Likewise, we will say kitabun, not kitabu, because it has no indefinite definite article. So if it has no definite article, we will pronounce it with own sound. Kitabun with tanween. A a book. Al kitab, the book. Jamalun, jamalun. A camel. Al jamalu, the camel. Al qalamu maksurun. Here it is a complete sentence. So al qalamu, the pen. Maksurun, uh, maksurun means broken. Al qalamu maksurun, the pen is broken. Al qalamu, the pen, maksurun, broken. And is over here is understood, as we have learned in our previous lesson that uh, helping verb uh, are understood in Arabic. Okay, there is no equivalent for the uh, English is or in Arabic. الباب مفتوح. الباب مفتوح. The door is open. مفتوح, open. الولد جالس. الولد جالس. The boy is sitting. جالس, sitting. والمدرس, and the teacher واقف, is standing. And the teacher is standing. الكتاب جديد والقلم قديم. The book is new and the pen is old. Over here, a question may arise that we see qadimun or jadidun or over here maksurun. It has no al sound, al article. It has no, rather it has the tanween. It has on sound at the end. So as we learned that when we translate such a word without al, we add a at the beginning. So maksurun meaning should be a broken. A kalam is a broken. But we should keep in mind that in adjectives we don't uh, add the article a, or we can say that adjectives are exceptional from date principle and date rule. Okay, so likewise we will follow this rule in jadidun and qadimun. Okay, because they are also adjective. Al-himaru saghirun, the donkey is small. Wal-hisanu kabirun, and the horse is big. Al-kursiyu maksurun. Al-kursiyu maksurun, the chair is broken. Maksurun, broken. Al-ma'u baridun, the water is cold. Al-qamaru jamilun, the moon is beautiful. Jamilun, beautiful. Al-baytu qaribun, the house is near. Wal-masjidu ba'idun, and the mosque is far away. Ba'idun, far away. Al-hajaru thaqilun, the stone is heavy. Wal-waraqu khafifun, and the page is light. Al-labanu harun, the milk is hot. Al-qamisu nadhifun, the shirt is clean. So in all these examples, we have noticed that the word with al uh, is translated with the. Okay. Now we have this exercise, and we are required in this that we should vocalize and put Arab and the end of each of these words. Okay, masjidun, like masjidun. So is it masjidu or masjidun? So it is masjidun with tanween. And al masjidu, not al masjidun, because it has al. And when it is prefixed by al, then we don't add on sound at the end. We just add o sound. Al masjidu, al ma'u. Okay, and ma'un, al baytu, and the rest of these words you should solve them. The another exercise is اقرأ واكتب, read and write. So first read all these sentences aloud and then translate them in your notebook. And if you uh, find any difficulty, you may leave a comment. The first five of it I am going to solve, but the rest of the exercise you are required and you are supposed to solve. Al-maktabu maksurun. The al-maktab means the desk. The desk is broken. Al-mudarrisu jadidun. The teacher is new. Al-qamisu wasikhun. The shirt is dirty. Wasikhun, dirty. Al-labanu baridun. The milk is cold. Al-masjidu maftuhun. The masjid, the mosque is open. Okay.